HPV is a very common virus. It is thought of as sexually transmitted, but there are also other ways to be transmitted as well. And we know that it's responsible for a multitude of cancers, but in particular cervical cancer is caused by HPV.
I used to work a lot. I used to work 14-hour days, including Saturdays and Sundays sometimes. For the 6 years that I've lived in the United States, where we have really good doctors, I've not visited a doctor once. As for the cause for the cancer, which is HPV, I was never vaccinated when I was 15, 16 years old. As for my PAP, I've never done a PAP. I gave work priority. I did not know anything about cervical cancer before I was diagnosed.
I first met Stephany in consultation. She had been seen by her gynecologist and then sent to one of our gynecologic oncologists. And then in consultation with our gynecologic treatment team, we decided that the best treatment for her was a combination of radiation therapy and chemotherapy.
Luckily for me, it did not spread. It was only located in my cervix area. So I was very happy with that, and throughout this entire journey, it's just praying every day that I'm strong, that I could get through my next appointment. The rest of my family lives in Curacao. Nobody knew about this, because once they hear cancer, oh my God, you're gonna die. That's not the vision I had. I see more, I beat it rather than it beat me.
Our patients, when they first come into the Miami Cancer Institute to see our physicians, we take in all the available information that we already have, and then patients are presented at our tumor board. We have surgeons, medical oncologists, radiation oncologists, pathologists, and radiologists and other specialties as well, all come together to discuss a given patient's case and to help figure out what is the best treatment for that given patient.
I felt positive throughout the entire process because of Miami Cancer Institute. Every day that I had a treatment, I was treated as if you're gonna get through this. And that helped me. When I was surrounded by people who had a positive attitude, makes me feel better as well. I'm so happy that I ended up here. Very happy.
Stephany was an amazing patient. She had a great attitude. Now, after a number of months, she's had new scans, new imaging scans that have shown that there's no evidence of disease, and symptomatically, she's doing very well after treatment.
Each and every woman my age, or younger or older, who have never visited a gynecologist, do so. Don't take this for granted. Don't think that just because you don't feel it, it's not there. It can be there. It could be an easy pap test that could give a positive result of having cancer, but the severity of it can change your life.